Hey and welcome to this video. My name is Johannes and I will show you how to buy Cardano ADA. Even if you're a complete beginner and haven't bought any cryptocurrency before, I will show you the easiest method. I will give you a step-by-step tutorial and you will be able to get the Cardano cryptocurrency token in just minutes. So I will use Binance, and this is probably the easiest way right now in 2021 at least. So I will leave a link down below this video in the description where you will get 10% kickback on trading fees. So when you click the link, it will look like this, and you will just have to register, enter your email, password, and create your account. And I won't get any details about you, so don't worry, it's completely anonymous and stuff like that. So if you already have an account on Binance, you can just go to the homepage and I will show you where we start. Alright, so first off, when you're logged in and on the Binance homepage, you will see this, buy and sell crypto in minutes. So if you already have cryptocurrency on Binance and have plenty of them, I will show you in the next step how to convert them. But first off, if you don't have any cryptocurrency on Binance right now, I will show you how to buy, and then I will show you the next step. So first off, you can see in the upper left corner, buy crypto, and you can see different alternatives how to buy crypto. I will use credit/debit card right now because I believe this is the easiest. All right, so when you've clicked buy crypto and clicked on credit/debit card, you will see something like this, and you can see buy crypto, and you can see 15 to 5,000 USD. So this is the fiat currency, and you can choose from lots of different currencies. You can see Uganda, shilling, Ukraine, and stuff like that. So they have lots of different fiat currencies to buy with. So you can see coin here as well, and in this case it's on BTC, so this is Bitcoin. I will choose USDT because this will make it easier in the next step, and I will tell you why later, just so we don't confuse you. You can spend how much you want. Obviously, this is not financial advice. I'm not saying you should buy Cardano ADA. I'm just showing you how to do it. So this is for educational purpose. With that being said, I will just choose $15 right now, and you can see new card. So in this case, we can just click on buy USDT, and I will show you what it looks like now. So what will happen is you will have to enter your card number, expiry date, CVV, and stuff like that. And in the next step, you will have to enter your address, and that's basically it. And after you've entered all the details, you will get your cryptocurrency into your wallet, and I will show you what that looks like. And you will just have to wait a couple of minutes, or maybe 30 minutes or something. When you've bought your cryptocurrency, you can go into your wallet and you can click on fiat and spot. All right, so this is what your wallet looks like. So this is where all your cryptocurrencies are visible, and you can see how much you have in crypto and in fiat. So this is your balance. And whatever cryptocurrency you've chosen to buy, you can see it here. You can see right here it's USDT. So this is what I showed you I bought. So in the next step, all we have to do is to search for coin, and in this case I assume you want to buy Cardano ADA, so you can just search for ADA. And you can see different alternatives right here. So just look for the ADA Cardano, and you can click on convert right here. So this is the next step where we can just convert or switch any cryptocurrency into another. So this is what you have to do right now, because you can't buy Cardano with your credit or debit card as it is right now. So click on convert on the ADA Cardano row, and you can see convert and OTC portal. So this is a place where you can trade Bitcoin, BNB, and other cryptocurrencies easily in one go. And you can see from, and in this case it's on USDT, and 2, in this case it's on BTC. So you know, if you have USDT, you want to, you know, convert into ADA, you can just keep it on USDT, and all you have to do right now is to change the 2 from BTC to ADA, and you can search for ADA. And all you have to do right now is to enter the amount of either USDT or whatever cryptocurrency you like into, you know, the ADA. And in this case, I don't have enough of balance of USDT to change into ADA. But what will happen is you will probably see how much ADA you will get from your 10 USDT or whatever you choose. So you can just click on preview conversion, and in this case it will say that I don't have, you know, insufficient balance. Yeah, so you can see the price right here. After you've clicked preview conversion, you'll see how much ADA you will receive. And all you have to do is to click on this button, whatever it says. Maybe it's refresh, maybe it's convert. And what will happen then is you will actually own your Cardano and ADA. So this is the necessary steps that you have to take if you choose Binance. As I said, it's probably the easiest way if you're a complete beginner to start out with. So you know, if you think this is confusing, let me know, because maybe you can just pause the video and go back and see exactly how I did, because this is, you know, the steps that are necessary. And as I said, it's pretty easy if you actually just follow it and pause and follow along this video. So hopefully you will be able to get your first Cardano and ADA cryptocurrency tokens right now. And you know, if you enjoyed this video, feel free to like it, feel free to subscribe to my channel, as I will create more cryptocurrency tutorials and talk about cryptocurrency in general. And you know, that's it. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you around.